Carol, you eat the bird in the egg from Sir Jeff. Yes, I do, Sir Jeff. That was so delicious. Chona, hi from Sir Rod. Like and subscribe, Sir Raj. I couldn't do balot, but that's good and yummy, Sir. Ano, Sir Ethan, must try it. Just only the yellow parts and the juice. Dan likes. Thank you so much, Sir Raj. Raj buddy, Sir. Thank you guys. Oh, the balot. It tastes good, Sir Jeff from Atichona. Oh no, I was working with some guys from Vietnam years ago, and they ate the bird in the shell. Lost my stomach, my appetite. I didn't eat lunch that day. Oh, why, sir?